How to remove hate and anger with the letter technique. We have all been hurt deeply at some point in our lives. Maybe it was yesterday, maybe it was 20 years ago, but the feelings are still there. Love, money, parents, partners, betrayal, loss, injury. Whatever you are feeling now or experienced in the past is still affecting you in the present and controlling your future. Often we are unable to move forward because we could not express ourselves the way we wanted to. Men in particular may not feel able to express their feelings, they may not even understand them, and that only feel anger. Remember, if you feel like you are losing control, it's okay to ask for help. The letter to no one technique. The letter to no one technique is quite simple in theory. 1. First, find a quiet space where you will not be disturbed. 2. Drink a full glass of water and refill it to sip on later. We must be clear, open and our most authentic selves. No alcohol, stimulants or caffeinated drinks, they will cloud your thinking. 3. Have a piece of paper and a pen ready. Do not use a journal or notebook. 4. Now you will write your letter to the person, place, thing or even God, universe, creator, whomever you wish to express yourself to. Who is the letter to? 5. Next, write about what happened or the reason why you are writing this letter today. The rules are simple. You must be honest and completely raw and authentic. Swearing, threatening, descriptions of physical violence are absolutely okay. There are no limitations to your expression. Do not censor yourself. Write about what happened, what it did to you, how it made you feel, what effect it had on your life, and anything and everything that comes to mind. Take your time, get everything out on paper. Then read it, out loud, over and over until your attachment to this situation reduces or is gone completely, feels stupid or hilarious. Now the most important part. Completely destroy the letter. Tear it to pieces, burn it, and bury it in a ritualistic manner if you like, but no one else will ever read it, or should. After this, we suggest you start a daily journaling practice combined with gratitude. See our previous videos. Please consider subscribing and watching our other videos and future videos. And if this worked for you, leave a comment, we'd love to hear from you.